Yes, my people, good morning. I'm making a quick breakfast this morning, but I'm just showing you my fried plantain and how I'm going to make my quick breakfast, quick and easy breakfast in the morning. Okay, stay tuned and look out for this one. This is just fried plantain, and I'm going to fry some bacon and some eggs and make me a nice sandwich. Stay tuned.
Yes, my people, this is a new little one. What I'm making my breakfast this morning. I'm making a sandwich, breakfast sandwich. So I'm gonna make fried eggs, I'm gonna make bacon, and I'm making fried plantain. So guess what? Stay in my kitchen. So now I already fried my plantain. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and start my bacon right away because I'm making